Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've got an exciting video for you today, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw blue from Rainbow Friends. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Rainbow Friends blue, we're going to begin with the head, and we want to make a nice circle. I'm just going to use the stencil right here to go ahead and trace a circle. So I'm going to put it right about here in the middle. And I'm just going to go ahead and trace a nice circle right around here for the head of our Rainbow Friends. Next, I want to make a circle for an eye right over here. So we're going to go ahead and just make a circle for an eye right here. You can see I'm touching the edge. We'll do the same thing over here. Let's kind of line this up. And we'll make another circle for an eye right over here. Now, inside of this eye, we're going to make a smaller circle. And then I'm going to go ahead and color in most of this, leaving just a tiny bit white in here for a little bit of a reflection. Now, over here, this is more of like a button for an eye. So what I'm going to do is just make a little line that comes down. And then we'll make another line that comes across here for like an X. And then let's go ahead and draw a little line that's just going to come down. Now our next step is to make the mouth. So we're going to make a nice long smiley face right here. Then we're going to make another line that's going to come down to here. And then he's kind of drooling a little bit. So we're going to make a little line that's just going to come down and up. And then we'll just connect it with a little line on top. Then let's just continue this line right up to here. Our next step is to draw a line that just goes up and down for the tongue. And then we can go ahead and color in this part of the mouth real quick. Next, on top of the head, let's make the crown. So we're going to begin right about here. We're going to go up, and then we're going to come back in at an angle. We'll do the same thing over here. Let's go up and come in at an angle. Next, we're going to go up and down for the top of the crown. Now let's make the arms. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to round it off and bring it right back towards the body. We'll do that same thing over here. Kind of line it up so you can get it pretty even. We're going to go out, curve it around, and bring it all the way back in. Starting here, let's make a line that comes down on each side. That way we can kind of shape out the body. Starting here, we're going to go down. We're going to bring this line back up. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down, curve it around, and then bring this line back up. And then we'll just draw a little line across to connect them. And there you go. There is your drawing of blue from Rainbow Friends. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.